Moose roster in the Royal Navy Lynx. Yeah, okay. You didn't pull it that hard and low stuff. He obviously had his haggis this morning. Pulling up to the hover now. Look at this, shoving the nose all the way down, 90 degrees down, and rolling and pulling. Now, the UK Armed Forces operate two types of this aeroplane. They operate the AH Mark 7 and AH Mark 9, which are attack helicopters for the British Army, but their cabins, the space behind the two pilot seats, are totally empty because you get 9 troops, fully armed troops in the back of those. So it's a much lighter aeroplane. On this aeroplane, the cabin is anything but empty. It is full of very sophisticated anti-submarine detection and hunting equipment. It's a very, very powerful anti-submarine platform, this. That's why the Navy called it the HAS, Helicopter Anti-Submarine. This is the HAS Mark 3. They also operate the new Mark 8. As I said, fastest helicopter in the world. Set the world speed record, 246.47 miles an hour. There was a specially prepared lightened version of it, that's true, but it's still a world record. Very powerful pilot. He's been doing this for years and he really loves this aeroplane. And it's really good to see the Royal Navy here in the 100th anniversary year of naval aviation. Both Steve and Seamus are from 815 Squadron, based down there at Royal Naval Air Station Yeovilton, down in Somerset. So they've come an awfully long way to display for you here today. They're really showing you just what a manoeuvrable aeroplane this is. Look at this. 247 miles an hour forward, 60 miles an hour backwards. Now these aircraft are designed to operate off the 90 degrees nose down. Whoa. Fantastic. Superb bit of kit this. Not only has it got all the detection equipment to hunt and track submarines, it can also carry a wide variety of weapons on wings on the side of the fuselage to deal with those submarines. Can carry the Stingray, the Mark 48 or the Mark 46 torpedo. Can also carry the Sea Eagle and the Sea Skewer anti-ship missile. And to be honest with you, when you put those missiles on this aeroplane, it looks like the missiles are carrying the aeroplane, because they're almost as long as the fuselage. They're enormous things. And he really is wrecking it around here. They often work in teams. Looking at the way he's throwing that about, you wouldn't believe he's got the best part of 2 tons of kit in the back, would you?